All right, folks, here we are in fabulous Las Vegas. We have made it to the Reno. Here we go, folks. We're about to head on over here and hopefully get checked in, get settled into our room. And then after that, I'm gonna try some kind of fun. I don't know what kind of fun, but we're gonna find some fun. So I'll see you on the other side of the cut. All right, everybody, room 509. Let's go. Let's see what we got going on in here. Let's find the light switch. See this right there, Mateo. Can you get that light switch?
That's for this.
That's for that. Okay, let's find another light switch. Hold on, here it is. No, we can't find the light switch. There's no overhead light. Oh, we got to turn on all the lights manually. Okay. All right, cool. So here it is, everybody. We got a little desk over here. We got Blake's bed that he just claimed.
Yep.
My bed over here. I'm gonna get the bathroom first.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Look at this place.
Here we go.
Oh, all right. So we have artwork. We have a safe. Plenty of storage. We're gonna check the drawers for drawers. See if anybody's left any drawers in our drawers. No. Over here you got me, and what's behind here? Ironing board. Mateo, I found your bedroom. Where you at? Come here, get in. Get in, here's your bedroom, bro. See, you got privacy and everything.
Even comes with the cot?
Yeah, man, you got a cot and everything. It's wonderful. All right, Blake's in there. He's gonna take a, never mind. Here's our bathroom, the actual bathroom. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking great. Everything seems wonderful. So far so good. Let's set the backpack down. See, I can get a little stool. I'll set my stuff on. And all right, let me get the stuff out of my back pockets. And here we go. Here we go with the. Here we go with the obligatory. I can stay here all night long. All right, so here we go. This is our view for the next few days. It's all gonna be lit up at night. We've got the other tower of the Rio right over there. And you can see a lot of the hotels. You got the Strat over there, you know, the Wynn. Caesar's Palace is directly ahead of us with the Ferris wheel in the background. Our pool is right down there. And yeah, you can keep looking over into the distance. You got Mandalay Bay, and yeah, it's really, really cool. And I'm looking forward to my vacation, so yeah. Oh, wait, that's the zip line. Oh, I wonder if they're gonna do it. I wonder if they're gonna zip line. Oh my goodness, that's where the zip line goes. Tower to tower. We'll see.
Oh, there we go.
There they go.
Are they going?
Yep.
Oh, here they come. They're going back now.
You can't even see him, hardly.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Oh. They go up to the other side, right there. Nice. Oh, they just got up to the top of the building.
I was already too close.
I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. I really don't. So, there's no hole right there. I don't know if there once was, but there is no hole right there where we thought there would be one. There you go, Brian. There's the Death Star, home of Darth Vader and the Raiders.
First Monday night football game is here against the Ravens. It's gotta be crazy down here. I'm waiting for them to announce we got a Super Bowl. Oh wow. Imagine Super Bowl in Vegas.
Oh no.
We're gonna get crazy.
All right, folks. First stop, the Excalibur. I don't know what the filming policy is, but in we go. There you go, Psycho Ducky. Thunder from down under. We have just left the Excalibur behind us, and we're just walking to the Luxor. This is the Luxor. Let's go.
I feel it.
Oh wow. Alright, so the first thing I noticed when I walked in, the smell changed. This casino has its own smell.
Yeah, some of them will. It's weird. Like when we go over to the Bellagio and stuff like that, it'll smell really fresh, like flowers normally. So.
It smells like stone meat.
Yeah, it smells like frankincense and myrrh to me, like a tomb. You know what they would bury the mummies with. You
It
know,
smells like a barn.
smells like a barn to Blake.
Like fresh, like a fresh, clean barn.
Yeah, kind of that hay bale, kind of a little bit of patchouli maybe. I don't know, but let's check it out. Yeah, walls. All right, here we go. So here we are at the Luxor. Check this out. This is super cool. You can see the pyramids all up in there. I guess those are the pyramid rooms that you can see on the sides. But this is super incredible. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. We're all up in the middle of it now. All up in the middle of this at Diablo's Canteen. Wow. Holy cow. There's the Titanic artifact museum over there. Wow, this thing's rather big. This thing is rather large. Holy cow. Look at this. Holy cow, that thing is straight up in the middle of this pyramid. There's the showroom over there. Got shops and bars and stuff all over the place. Big Titanic thing and bodies, the exhibition. So your first time at the Luxor, what do you think?
I've never been to the Luxor. I actually think it's really cool. This is sick right here. Did you show them that?
I did. You got the pharaoh right there and the big, what do you call it, obelisk?
I don't know exactly, but we're in the middle of the pyramid right now, about three.
Yeah, and like this goes straight up through the middle. So if we go over here and you look straight up, and that is the top. Oh, very cool. We're gonna keep exploring. So just walking down a little bit, we got Lux Vegas, we got Rice and Company Sushi Bar, and it looks like we're going to the shops at Mandalay Bay. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to Mandalay Bay for the first time, and it smells like just a clean hotel in here. I mean, like a beach hotel or something. It's just very clean smelling.
Like sunscreen.
Yeah, like sunscreen, maybe a little bit of pininess or something. But yeah, here we go. You all saw behind me. Here's what it looks like in here. Completely different theming. Just completely different theming. And to think we were just back there at the Luxor, and here we are. Let's go. So we got Chappelle hats, Karma, and Luck. Mrs. B would like this store. And here's another portion of the little shopping area. We got Beast Mode, and an Irish pub over here. Have a Guinness store actually. Cross Connection electronics store. They sell drones and stuff in there. Really, actually, it's a cool looking store. I like that. All kinds of stuff, man. It's crazy in here. Absolutely crazy. There's the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign over there. That's just great. Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas. And there's your Raiders store, guys. All your Los Angeles Raiders fans out there. Literally, the entire store. Yeah, like Blake said, it's all Raiders. Mandalay Bay. Here we are. Here is the Guinness World Record for the longest concert by multiple artists. It lasted for 372 hours, 10 minutes, and was conducted at the Irish pub. Right over there somewhere. So I did a little bit of playing. I hit this guy right here for
right here, you can
this
see
amount of money. There we go.
$190.15. Let's go.
Let's go. So here we have the Hyperx Esports Arena in Las Vegas. You can actually do some like streaming or something in there. It's really cool. They got all these computers set up, and yeah, fun stuff. Y'all, we're now leaving the Excalibur and all of that. We're headed over to New York. New York, you can see crossing over Las Vegas Boulevard right over here. Statue of Liberty. We'll get a better look. You can see the roller coaster over there on the skyline. Giant lion. here is Las Vegas Boulevard.
I think if I know correctly, if I remember correctly, there's only three, I think, of the 3 or 4 of those in the world. See?
Oh, the Statues of
That's
Liberty?
one of them, yeah.
Oh. Tropicana over there, the Laugh, what does that say, Laugh Factory? I normally know it as Laugh
That's the
Factory.
boulevard.
Yep, Las Vegas Boulevard. And there's the rest of everything on that side. All right, we're having way too much fun. I'll see y'all in a second. All right, right inside we have a Nathan's Hot Dogs, Oxygen Bar, Haagen-Dazs, tattoo thing. We got all kinds of fun stuff in through here. Coyote Ugly.
There we go.
Yeah, Coyote Ugly, there we go. It's around the corner over here. Oh man. This place is just so big. And there's stuff everywhere, and there's people everywhere. But it's so much fun. The giant Hershey chocolate thing over here, holy cow.
Here's the Hershey factory.
Oh, there it is. Hershey factory over off here.
There's a really cool thing over here you can see. It's a Statue of Liberty made out of Twizzlers.
Oh yeah? Statue of Liberty made out of Twizzlers?
Yep, over there. You'll see it. Right at the entrance. Right there.
The Statue of Liberty, made entirely of Twizzlers. Yeah, made of Twizzlers. That's so cool. There's the casino floor. There's a chocolate bar down there, the giant Hershey's chocolate world. All right, we're about to start into the floor, so I'm gonna cut it.